For the longest time, I treated Temu coupon codes and Temu free gifts like two completely different things. Coupon codes were for discounts, free gifts were for rewards. End of story. Turns out that was the mistake, because after testing a bunch of random methods, I noticed the people getting the best results weren't choosing between coupons or free gifts. They were combining both, and honestly, that changed everything for me. The first few methods I tried were pretty disappointing. Random code from one video, random free gift trick from another. The result? Small discounts, weak rewards. Nothing that felt worth talking about. Then I tried something different. Instead of hunting for random codes, I activated the code on screen first before browsing anything, and that's when the app started behaving completely differently. Almost immediately I started seeing larger coupon bundles, extra discount offers, bonus reward opportunities, and a much stronger free gift experience. That's when I realized the best method wasn't coupon code only or free gift only. It was using a code that actually unlocked both. Because after activating the code on screen, the discounts improved and the reward opportunities improved. That combination is what made the experience feel worthwhile. I even went back and tested a few random working codes afterward, and honestly, the difference was obvious. Smaller discounts, fewer rewards, almost no stacked offers. Meanwhile, the code on screen kept giving me better coupon bundles, stronger discount opportunities, more reward offers, and better free gift progress, all at the same time. That's why I think so many people struggle. They're chasing one side of the equation, discounts without rewards, or rewards without discounts. The people getting the best results seem to be activating both together from the beginning. Now, let's keep this real. Does this guarantee huge rewards for everyone? No. Can different accounts see different offers? Absolutely. But after testing a bunch of methods, the code on screen was the first one that consistently improved both sides, the coupon side and the free gift side at the same time. If you're going to test one method, test the combination. Activate the code on screen first and see if your coupons and free gift offers start looking stronger too.